If Claude suddenly stopped working, and you've already tried everything people usually recommend, like refreshing the page, clearing your cache, using incognito mode, and disabling your browser extensions, but none of that worked, here's one thing most people never think about. It could be your browser environment. Every browser builds up its own environment over time. By themselves, none of these are usually a problem, but together, they can sometimes create compatibility or login issues that are surprisingly difficult to identify. One of the easiest ways to test this is with ads power. Just create a new browser profile and open Claude. A fresh profile gives you a clean browser environment for troubleshooting. If needed, you can also test with a different proxy. Then open Claude and try again. If it works in the new profile but not in your regular browser, you found the problem. It's probably your browser environment, not Claude itself. And if you regularly manage multiple accounts, keeping each one in its own browser profile can help keep your browser environment clean and consistent. Have you ever run into a different cause that made Claude stop working? Share it in the comments. It might help someone else troubleshoot faster.